Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can delete email account from Facebook account. For that, just open the Facebook account and on the home screen you can see three-line icon on the top right corner. Just tap on it. Then at the bottom you can see setting and privacy option. Just tap on it. Then select the setting option. Then at the top you can see the account center. Just tap on it. Then after that you'll be shown here bunch of options. Just tap on the personal details. Then here are my personal details. I have one email address associated with this account, so at the contact info just tap on it and select the email address. Then from here you can delete your email account from the Facebook. Just tap on the delete email, then choose on the delete if you want to delete. Then after deleting the email, you will be no longer be able to use this email to log in, reset your password or receive any notification. So this was it guys. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.